It is critical that our team has all the necessary information about your oral health to develop and execute an accurate treatment plan that produces optimal long-term results. One way that our team can accomplish this is through three-dimensional imaging using cone beam computed tomography, or CBCT. Unlike traditional X-ray images, CBCT technology allows our team to obtain high-definition images that are three-dimensional and extremely accurate. One of the most common uses for 3D scanning is to develop your treatment plan for dental implant placement. These images allow us to build comprehensive surgical guides for the precise placement of dental implants. The high-definition CBCT images permit us to best plan treatment prior to surgery, allowing us to provide our patients with the best experience possible.